Updating your legal profile on TriNet is essential to ensure that your information is accurate and up to date. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your TriNet account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account settings. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Legal Profile. Within the profile settings, look for the option labeled Legal Profile or Personal Information. Click on this option to access your legal details. Step 4. Update your information. Review the existing information in your legal profile. Make any necessary changes, such as updating your name, address, or other legal details. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, look for a Save or Submit button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to save your changes and confirm that your legal profile has been updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your legal profile on TriNet current and accurate. Regular updates help maintain compliance and ensure that your information is always correct.